Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the free VILLAGE Nugget Ice Maker and the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker. Both machines promise to deliver refreshing ice for your drinks, but they come with different features and price points. Let's dive into the details and see which one stands out. The free VILLAGE Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $209, making it a premium option for those who value high-quality nugget ice. In contrast, the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker is much more affordable at $69, making it an attractive choice for budget-conscious consumers. While the free VILLAGE offers advanced features, the Sweetcrispy provides great value for its price. When it comes to ice production, the free VILLAGE machine can produce an impressive 34 pounds of nugget ice in 24 hours, making it ideal for larger gatherings or frequent use. On the other hand, the Sweetcrispy model can produce 26 pounds of bullet ice in the same time frame, which is still substantial for home use, but slightly less than its competitor. Both machines offer self-cleaning features, ensuring easy maintenance. The free VILLAGE Nugget Ice Maker produces soft, chewable nugget ice, perfect for those who enjoy a refreshing crunch in their beverages. Meanwhile, the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker offers two sizes of bullet ice, which is versatile for various drinks, but lacks the chewable texture that some users prefer. Depending on your ice preference, this could be a deciding factor. In conclusion, both the free VILLAGE and Sweetcrispy Ice Makers have their strengths. If you're looking for a premium nugget ice experience and don't mind spending a bit more, the free VILLAGE is the way to go. However, if you're on a budget and need a reliable ice maker for casual use, the Sweetcrispy is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.